Namaste and welcome to the Swayambhu family. I am Sharmila and I am a psychotherapist and counselor. Today I'll be talking about some night routines that you can follow to overcome stress and which will help you to overcome insomnia too. Do you ever feel that at the end of the day when you just fall on the bed you have to drift to sleep? Yes, most of us feel that. But as soon as you fall on the bed and go to sleep, do you really sleep? No. What happens? Our monkey mind starts chattering, tick 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 tick. What you have done today, and your thoughts, what will you do tomorrow, or what you have done in the past. All this comes running and rushing to us, and what happens? Instead of sleeping, you become anxious, you be sleepless. In today's video, I'll be sharing a few strategies and tips on how you can reduce stress and sleep better. So here are some, whichever appeals to you, you just go ahead with it. Now the first strategy is put all the technological devices away at least 1 hour before you go to sleep. That includes your TV, the computer, your smartphones, anything that you name as technology, your games, anything. You have to give a time of 1 hour. So that will be your window period where you give 1 hour and say no to all this, all the TV, the computer or the mobile phones. Why? Because it emits out radiation which disrupts our sleep, which disrupts our sleep hormone, the melatonin. So that is the reason why everywhere it is said that please be away at least for an hour before sleep from all the technological aspects. Second is dim the light of your room. The third is have a nice warm water bath before you go to sleep. If you have the habit of taking a bath before sleeping, that's the best thing that you can do. Eat your last meal of the day at least 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. And once you have done this, you take your journal. In that journal, you can write anything. You can write about the negative aspects that went out throughout the day, the positive aspects. So you start journaling. Journaling will hardly take 5 minutes. So within that 5 minutes, you put all your thoughts in the paper. So in that journal, the first thing is you will write is 3 amazing things that you are grateful for that day. Then 3 most beautiful things that happened for you during the day. So it can be anything. 3 most beautiful things in meeting a friend or your boss saying, okay, you have done a good work in the school, the teacher appreciating you, anything, or your friend even giving you a chocolate. So all these things, small things make a huge difference. So you have to search for that. Celebrate your day in that way. Also in another page, you can write anything that is bothering you, anything that will keep you awake tonight, or anything that you have to remember. Next is any problem that has to be solved. So when you write all things on paper, what happens? The mind feels, yes, most of the things are written and I need not think about it a lot. So you have put your problems, you have put everything on the paper, and now the mind here is free. Also before sleeping, if you are a student, you keep all the things that you require for tomorrow to go to school beforehand. You plan and keep. You pack your bags, you see that your school uniform is right in its place. If you are a professional, keep your dresses, what you are wearing, your wallet, your purses, everything in its place, so that the next day you don't have to worry. If you are a housewife, you are a homemaker, you also talk about your day for tomorrow, what you are going to prepare for breakfast, how are you going about the day. So this will cause a little less stress and you will not think about it when you are in the bed. because all these small things, they are reasons for sleeplessness. So when you sleep on your bed, see that there is no clutter on the bed. The bed should be very clean when you are sleeping there. So that neatness, that tidiness also allows you that atmosphere of sleeping. Declutter your bed if there is any clutter on it. I would recommend that you do meditation for a minimum of 5 minutes, and then as you go on with this practice, you can go on up to 20 minutes also. But you will not do meditation sitting on your bed. You can take a chair or you can sit on your yoga mat and do this meditation where you focus on your breath, on the breath as you inhale and exhale, and it should be very slow. It should be on the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale. So in this way you do meditation for about 5 minutes minimum, and you can go up to 20 minutes. After that, you see if there is any tightness in your body. If you feel there is any tightness throughout the day, you have caught up on some tensions, just stretch those places. Not a very big stretch, but just relax. Just relax, give a big shoulder stretch and just relax. Have a relaxing stretch. Set your alarm at the time you want to get up, so that your mind will not be in unnecessary tension that you have to get up at 5:30 and then the mind keeps itself awake. So instead of that, set an alarm and you know you are getting up at that time. After that, once you set the alarm, then you go to your bed and sleep. As you sleep, breathe well. And there is a technique also where you breathe in for 4 counts, you hold for 6, and you release for 8 counts. So if you can do it, you do it. Otherwise, you just go into your normal mode of breathing and go to sleep. And if you feel you can do some relaxing visualization, you can even do that. So how do you do that relaxing visualization? So think of a peaceful place which you like, a calm place. It might be a beach, it might be near the riverside, it might be even a park which you like, where you feel that you are safe, you are happy, you are relaxed. Look around and see the greenery everywhere, see the clear blue skies. What do you see? What are the colors that you see? Do you see flowers? See the color of the flowers. What makes you very happy? What do you feel? The breeze that moves. Whether the breeze is warm, whether it is cool. Smell the flowers. Hear the people. Hear the children playing. Are you eating anything? What does it taste like? So immerse your mind into this and just rest there. Just rest there. Immerse yourself and enjoy yourself in this experience, this peaceful place. Feel its safety, feel its goodness, feel its strength, feel its love. And just go on and go on and go on. Sleep will come when it's ready. Good night. Have a very good night's sleep. Meet you in my next video where I will talk more about how you start your day, your morning routine. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed, and take care.